Okay, welcome back, guys. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, last week, we did analysis on natural gas, right? We talked about having a bearish move. Even last 2 week also, we actually did analysis on this natural gas, and the upper 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we actually did analysis on this natural gas, and we know we were all expecting a bearish move, and I told you why. So 3 weeks ago, we actually had that bearish move that we talked about. 2 weeks ago, also we had this bearish move that we talked about, and last week that we did analysis on natural gas, we talked about on price giving us a bearish move. Now we've gotten this bearish move. Now we would want to know where this natural gas will, play out this week. Now we are going to start from the higher time frame to be able to understand this movement itself, to be able to understand how markets will be moving such way. We will start from the higher time frame down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, let's start with the monthly time frame. So, we will start from the period of 2020. We can see that during this period, natural gas was actually giving us an uptrend move. I think during that period, it was trading about was not $1, right? Price kind of spiked up. During that corona, during that lockdown, price it was during that lockdown, price started increasing. It was going up well. So price once gave us a bullish move. It was spiking up. It was spiking up, no problem. And you can also see technically when you add this your moving average, you will see that this price was trading above the 10 period moving average. So one of the reasons why natural gas we actually saw it as a bullish move. Well, but now if you take a look at this movement on natural gas, we are now on a bearish move. That is one. You can now see that this bearish move is trading below this 10 period moving average. So you can see, I think this movement started was it not September, right? 9. Okay, that is September. This bearish move started September last year. So in the month of September, we actually had a bearish move. In the month of October, we also had a bearish move. Then price gave us a pullback in the month of November, right? November, we actually opened and closed bullish. So we will see it as a pullback. Now this price is now dropping. In the month of December, we had a massive drop, which was bearish. And take a look at the month of this month, which is January, right? This new year, we've actually gone bearish. You can now see that this price has now dropped again. So what we will be expecting is definitely we will want to be expecting like a bullish move. If in case price will continue to give us that bearish move, then a pullback needs to play out, right? And that pullback that we would be expecting or we would want it to play out will be bullish. So let's start, maybe second, third week of January. We should kind of be expecting a bullish move right now. I just want you guys to know. So expect a bullish move. You can see that this price has now dropped to a key level. We all know that if price is moving and it actually gets to a level it has reacted to previously and price gets to that same level, we expect reaction at that same level. Now take a look at this level. We saw that price has once reacted to this same level. Price came to this same level. We had a reaction whereby price gave us a pullback. So when price went up, it dropped. We saw a reaction at this same level again. So price reacted to this level. Now this price has dropped. Now we would be expecting price to actually react at this same level again. So this natural gas, we should expect a reaction. Thereby price will go bullish. So if in case that price goes bullish, right? And price wants to continue its downward trend, then we would continue that downward trend. So this week, right, I think we should start watching out for a bullish move on this natural gas. So we can see it still trading below this 10 period moving average. So we still see this as a bearish move. So now it should now take us to the weekly time frame. Like I said, you would want to know the trend, right? Especially if you want to take your trade. You want to know your recent trend for such assets you want to, or such commodity you would want to trade. So you can see the trend for this natural gas, which is a downtrend move. So we would see this to be a lower lows. Take a look at this to be a pullback, a lower highs. Then we will take a look at this to be another lower, or we can say this a lower lows here where price came to react to this level. You saw that price was once reacted to this same level. See it here. You saw that price once reacted to this same level. Once price came in, it's rejected. You saw price reacted to this same level. This is one of the reasons candlestick wick is sticking out. We also saw price reacted to this same level. So once this price dropped to this same level, we had a reaction, thereby price went up. Now this price came again to this same level. A reaction was made. You see it, and now price has now dropped to this same level that we talked about, which is a level of 3.581 currently. So we can see that price have reacted to this level previously. We've seen price react to this same level. So now that we are in this level, we should expect a reaction, thereby price should give us a bullish move. This is one of the reasons why I'm saying this week also we should kind of like watch out for a bullish move, which we can see as a pullback if you want to. So that is it on natural gas. So this natural gas, I will be watching out for, like a bullish move. Though the food trend itself is kind of, the food trend is bearish. You can still watch out for the food trend, which is a bearish move, but a bullish move as a pullback needs to play out. Let's see if that bullish move as a pullback plays out. It's going to tap our 10 period simple moving average. Then we can continue our bearish move on natural gas. Now we should not take a look at the daily time frame. So when you take a look at it again, you would want to know the food trend. You can see the food trend, a bearish move, a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs is what's playing out here. So if you take a look at this to be a drop, you will now consider this to be a pullback, right? You will now see this to be a drop again, and then this will be taken as a pullback. After that, what do you expect? You see this pullback came close to our 10 period moving average. Now a drop has been made that broke this previous low, so I would be expecting a pullback this level. So if this pullback is complete, another drop will be made. So let's see it like that. Let's see if on Monday or Tuesday natural gas will give us that bullish, right? Let's see if we would have a bullish move on natural gas on Monday. Now that should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. Like we said, before you actually go ahead and take your trade, you would want to know this trend. You can see that on the monthly time frame, you are going bearish. Weekly time frame, you're also going bearish. Same thing with the daily time frame, you are going bearish. And now we would want to go to the 4-hour time frame to place this trade. So what is the 4-hour time frame actually saying? Also a bearish move. So we want to go ahead and go bearish. But if in case this market just moves up, break above the 10 period moving average, it gives us a pullback and another ice is being made, thereby take out this previous ice. You can now say, okay, that bullish move as a pullback that we are all expecting or we are trying to watch out for, you can now say, okay, it has now happened, that we should not, maybe we can go ahead and take that pullback. If not, might continue to see this price drop down a little bit. But let's see this price actually give us like a bullish move, then a pullback, then a new highs. Maybe once a pullback is being made, then we can continue the uptrend move on natural gas. Who knows? But food trend itself is still a bearish move. So let's still watch out for a bearish move for some times. Okay, and let me show you one more thing, sorry. So on this 1-hour time frame, if in case you want to go long, right, I'm going to advise you before you actually consider to go bullish, maybe you should wait for when you can spot about 3 to 4 multiple break of structure upward on your 1-hour time frame. You can see that this price has gone bullish and it is now trading above this 10 period moving average, right? So you would want to see like a 3-4 multiple break of structure upward before you go long. So you see this to be an ice and this will be taken as a pullback. You can now take a look at this to be an ice. You would now see this to be a pullback, right? Then a new ice that is being played out. So we should continue that way on natural gas for the week.